Hey there. Welcome to Just the Tech Tuesday. Today we're talking about Lovart AI, your new creative sidekick that turns ideas into professional designs in minutes. Lovart isn't just any design tool. It's an AI-powered assistant that actually gets your creative vision. Whether you're a content creator, small business owner, or just adding images to your own blog, Lovart makes designing easy and fast. All you have to do is describe what you need, like a bold logo for a vegan skincare brand. And Lovart delivers a full visual identity. Logos, color palettes, typography, even packaging designs. Want options? Lovart gives you up to 40 design variations from one prompt, so you're sure to find the right match for your brand. Fine-tuning your designs is a breeze with Lovart's drag-and-drop editor. Customize layouts, change colors, tweak fonts. No design skills are needed. And if you're planning a campaign, Lovart can also create storyboards, animated videos, and even background music, all designed to fit your brand voice. When you're happy with the results, export your designs in multiple formats: PNG, SVG, PDF, all ready for social media, print, or your website. People love Lovart's creativity and speed. Ready to take your brand to the next level? Head on over to Lovart AI to start your free trial and see the future of design for yourself.